Alright, I woke up this morning and After Effects no longer supports AE 2022, meaning that the Mac users are going to have some serious issues with the plugins. Maybe you've dealt with this before, maybe you haven't, but the only way to fix this is going to be using After Effects 2022.6. And we actually had to do some torrenting, some online downloading to find a version that was still supported. Now, when I ran over into the Adobe programs, once I did have it downloaded, it looks like it is supported once you actually have the version of it, and we'll leave the version of it down below. And so that's actually connected to the Adobe Cloud, but you're going to want to make sure you have this auto updating setting off so it doesn't automatically delete it in the future, because that is what happened to me. And I don't know why, but this auto update keeps turning on, which is also a different issue. So we keep the download on hand, and we'll leave a link for that for you guys down below. And good luck, and until next time, let me know if you guys need any more help. Peace.